Hi everyone, Edna Kimble, Edna Sells, Century 21 Wright Real Estate, and welcome to today's 2-minute tip for Tuesday. We're going to run through the 3 main ideas or issues that you need to be aware of if you are considering a 1031 exchange. Number 1, using a qualified intermediary. Guys, this is so important. I can't tell you how many clients have lost all of their money because the qualified intermediary that they utilized was not actually qualified and or was not insured. So do your research and make sure that the person that you're trusting to hold your funds is insured and has a long-standing great reputation. Number 2, timelines. Guys, timelines, no joke on this. You absolutely have to stay within the timelines of the 1031 exchange. Those will vary depending on exactly what it is that you're trying to accomplish. So starting with your qualified intermediary, that person can give you those specifics when it comes to the 1031 exchange. And number 3, make your realtor and your title company aware that you are doing a 1031 exchange. Seems like such an easy thing, but I've had several clients lately forget to mention that they were utilizing their funds to go toward a 1031 exchange and or they were purchasing the property with a 1031 exchange. Now, if I'm not aware of these timelines and something gets delayed, I can actually help push it through. So making sure that your realtor is aware of the timelines is super important. There's my tip for Tuesday. Thanks everyone.